Okay, so quick makeup tip for today. My makeup's already done. I'm not going to show you how to put anything on. This is about brushes today. So, did you know that you can get certain effects with your makeup by how and where you hold your brush? Either up high, down low, like this. So let me just give you an example. I like to do just a very light dusting underneath my eyes. All right, here we go. Just a light dusting underneath my eyes. And one time when I was doing it, I was like this. I'm very high up on the brush, or sometimes I'm like this. What happens, you get a much firmer grip on the brush the higher up you go. So what happens when you have the firmer grip, you're going to get a much bolder line underneath no matter how gentle you're trying to be. So if you want to have just a little dusting and just brush a little and have this nice soft little spread of the eyeshadow, hold it down at the bottom. You have a much lighter grip on it, therefore you're going to have a light dusting underneath. Make sense? And it's one of those duh moments that I never thought about until I saw it somewhere. So I just wanted to share that with you. Whenever you're trying to get certain effects, think about where you're going to hold your brush. Think about the effect you want, how you think you're going to get it. A bold line, hold it up higher on the brush. A nice soft dusting, hold it down low. Yes, it does help to have the right kind of brushes. So I have a very fluffy blending brush that helps, but even still, hold it down here.